Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever used Jira, you probably know how tricky it can be to assign more than one person to a single task. But don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through a complete guide on how to do it efficiently, whether you're brand new to Jira or an experienced project manager. By the end, you'll be confidently managing tasks across multiple team members like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, if you're not sure who your Jira administrator is, or if you need to assign admin privileges, here's a quick way to find out. Jira admins control who can make permission changes, so this is a crucial first step. Head to your work page. You can access it right from the Jira homepage or the main menu on the left. This page is your central hub. It lists all your active projects and quick links to recent work. Next, select the specific project you want to manage. Just click its name to open the project dashboard. This is where all the key project activities live: issues, boards, people, and settings. Once you're inside the project dashboard, look at the top right corner for an icon that looks like a small figure with a plus sign. That's the Add People button. Click it, and you'll see a panel open where you can search for team members or enter their email addresses directly. Now, when you're adding or editing someone, make sure to assign them the right role. For example, project administrator or another permission level that allows them to modify issues and assignments. This step is essential if you want them to help manage or be co-assigned to tasks. Finally, click Add to confirm. Jira will show a quick confirmation message to let you know the addition was successful. And there you go. You've now enabled multiple collaborators to take responsibility for a single task in Jira. It's not about assigning multiple assignees in the traditional sense, but by using roles, watchers, or subtasks, you can effectively share workload and visibility among several team members. If this walkthrough helped you streamline your project setup, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more practical Jira and productivity tips, and drop a comment if you'd like a part 2 covering advanced task automation in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.